Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to add projects in your LinkedIn profile. So first go over to your profile, so click on your profile picture and select View Profile. Then simply click on Add Profile section and then drop down this recommended window. So click on this recommended arrow, and now as you can see, here it is, Add Projects. So click on that and it will open up this window. Here you have to insert project name, then the description of your project, add skills, so they recommend adding your top 5 used in this project, and you can also add some media like images, documents, sites or presentations. You can also add some additional details, for example, click whether you are currently working on this project or not, and you can enter a start date and end date of this project. You can also add connections who contributed to the projects, which is this button, Add Contributor. And that's it. When you are done adding all of this stuff, just press Save. Thank you guys for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.